Fresh fruit from the farmer's market is the best. And I love using fruit not only in sweet dishes, but in some savory ones too. And chutney, that's one of the best ways to use any seasonal fruit. So I've decided to do a apricot and berry chutney. And I think that's gonna go really nicely with a piece of rainbow trout. Get it crispy in a pan. Chutney is all about layering in flavors, so I've already got onion softening in my pan. There's a couple of key ingredients, vinegar being one of them, and honey. Chutney is such a fun condiment. You can put it on burgers, meats. It's quite versatile, and you can use any seasonal fruit you have on hand. I think the raspberries and the blueberries, they're gonna work really well with that trout. I'm gonna reduce this mixture a little bit before I add my fruit and all my seasonings. Chutney is a really intense flavor, and it gets really deep. So I'm gonna add some brightness with lemon zest. There's so much flavor in lemon zest, but it's not gonna end there. And chutney is all about spice. Oh, this syrup is coming together. Time for the apricots. Check out this chutney. It is thick and calling for a little splash of color. Raspberries and blueberries are not gonna take long to cook down, so they're the last thing I'm gonna add to this mix. And that is it. I'm gonna let that cool down while I get going on the fish. Rainbow trout. So named for its pretty colored skin. Also happens to be one of my absolute favorite fish. It's really bright, juicy, flavorful. It's gonna go really well with that fruit chutney. Cornmeal and flour, chili flakes for a little heat. And the essentials. That cornmeal is gonna crisp up in the pan, make it nice and crunchy. A little milk will help the crust stick to the trout. And it'll be a nice thin crust, and so it will crisp up really nicely in the pan. See? Just like that. The key to searing fish, really hot pan. Hear that sizzle? This won't take very long at all. Oh, it is time to flip. Oh, look at that crust. Just a minute on this side, we're having fish for dinner. They're ready. Oh, crispy. You know, camping, fish, the two of them go hand in hand. Just a little rosemary on top. This will bring some extra brightness to the plate. I am hungry. fish is juicy, the chutney is juicy, a nice little combination of sweet and salty, a little spicy. Fresh fruit, local fish. Now this is a fresh market dinner.